Hello, I'm Anthony Kalaijakis, Strategic Medical Marketing Manager for Molex at the MD&M show in 2011, and want to talk to you about some of the products we're showcasing at this show. Behind me you'll see the micro interconnects, which is a whole series of fine pitch, very high density connectors and interconnects that are transitioning from the core mobile communications into medical applications such as telehealth and mobile monitoring, etc. Okay, the user interface panels show the broad-based approach we have towards the human interface between the equipment and the devices. That segues into what we're displaying here for copper flex assemblies. We have quite an extensive offering there. This is just showing a few of the different types of fine pitch, different types of backings, semi-rigid boards, connectorized flex as well. Below that you'll see the fiber optic solutions for medical applications. One of the areas we'd like to highlight is our MT and hybrid assemblies, which we have samples of. I'll show you in greater detail later. All right, on this board here we're showing our 3D circuitry featuring the laser-directed structuring. What you see here is a series of antennas that utilize the technology and also some connectors that are customized towards different applications. Below that you'll see cable assemblies. We have a variety of different cable assembly with different scale. You can see the smaller, more portable and wearable devices such as hearing aids and ultra tiny cable assemblies, as well as defibrillator and signal type communication systems. The power connectors is where Molex has a real historic portfolio here with the mini fit, micro fits, and some of the power dock applications here. Okay, on the RF side we have a number of solutions here, both custom and also standard products off the shelf. The scale goes from the micro coaxial UFL also to the non-magnetic versions for the imaging applications. One area within Molex is Polymicro Technologies, which is a subsidiary of the fiber optics group. Within that group we actually draw the optical fibers and also do capillary tubes for the analytical side of the medical business. Okay, this is the hybrid MT connector within Molex. This is a plastic version. We recently announced this as a product differentiated from the original, which was a metal shell connector. You can see within that housing, you'll see that's the hybridization, which mixes the glass and the copper interconnects for an integrated solution. You can see the I/O side, which is multimedia, copper. Here we have a RJ45, and then you have another fiber optic connection there. Also see here on top of the desktop is our capacitive touch, which allows for a number of different color patterns. This unit also vibrates under touch. Very, very popular in the medical space. I'd also like to highlight on the micro products, we have a new catalog which highlights our core products, which have a preserved life cycle of about 10 years. So we will support this product for 10 years. This is available on our website, and details where we had the right products but different design cycles. Now we're acknowledging that the convergence is bringing us together, the markets together, and we are having a sustained 10-year support for these core products.